Welcome back. Okay, question 1b and c is completely not related to a. Okay, we don't need to care about a, you just look at it. So even if you don't know how to do a parts, then you can do parts b and c separately. First, it said that the student proposed a hypothesis, a relationship between this, and you look a lot of data and you look at the last one, calculate it. Okay, so what you need to do is to find out the values of a. Okay, so what is a? Okay, it is am equals 3.4. So you got one thing. Okay, I got it. Okay, am equals 3.4. So what you need to look it up for the value of m. Okay, what is m? 40 grams. Remember SI unit, so it should be 0.040 kilogram. So a then move time 0.040 equals 3.4, and then you move the a to the right hand side, and then you got 3.4 over 0.04, and then calculate the time. Okay, and then you got it. Okay, it's 85. Remember, the accuracy is important here, so you need to have the same accuracy in silicon figure because it's a division as the original one. So all is the 2 silicon figure, so it should be 2 silicon figure 2 because it's a division. Okay, next one. Okay, express your answer SI unit. So look at the SI unit. We need to have the SI unit of A. So remember, left hand side and right hand side should have the same SI unit. So this one tell you the SI unit of previous square, second square equals the units of A. Sometimes we can use this symbol dimension. Okay, and then mass unit is kilogram. Distance unit is a meter square. So move all the thing to the left hand side and you get the units of A. Okay, state your answer with its fundamental unit. So the units of A should be second square. So maybe you can write down there 85 second square kilogram minus 1 and meter minus 2. And think about whether it is a SI unit or not. Okay, mass, length, time. Yes, SI unit. You got it. Next one, C. Okay, the student goes on to investigate the relationship between T and M, keeping D a constant. So look at here, T and M. Okay, so you need to change the equation a little bit to make sure you notice it clearly. T and M. So T square, take the M out, equals AD square. AD square is a constant that kept constant. M plus B. You got it. Okay, so the PV square against M graph should be a straight line pass through D or pass through B. Yeah, with a y-intercept. So the PV square against M graph should be like this. And somehow you need to mark the graph. Okay, so B is here 1.5. But now, good question. But now it's T against M. So you need to move the square to the right hand side and becomes a square root. Do you remember what is a square root graph? Curve down or curve up? Curve down or curve up? Remember, curve down is square root graph. Curve up is a square graph. Okay. Yeah, so it is a curved down graph starting from not 1.5, square root 1.5. So you should draw the graph here starting from y-intercept square root 1.5 and then curve down. Curve down and then mark it at square root 1.5. And that is the answer. If you like our channels, like sharing, please like and subscribe. Support us. Thank you.